We live in a world that treats sleep as a luxury or a sign of weakness. We praise the person who stays in the office until midnight, and we mock the person who goes to bed at 9. But according to the research of Matthew Walker in his book Why We Sleep, this mindset is a slow form of biological suicide. Before we dive into the science, you can find the link to purchase this book in the description of the video linked below. It is the most important health book you will ever read. Matthew Walker makes a bold claim. Sleep is the single most effective thing we can do to reset our brain and body health each day. It is the foundation of the 2026 reset. You can have the best diet and the most intense workout routine, but if you are not sleeping, your body is effectively a leaking bucket. There are two main types of sleep: NREM, which stands for non-rapid eye movement, and REM, which is rapid eye movement. NREM sleep is responsible for the physical repair of the body and the pruning of memories. REM sleep is where dreaming happens and where your emotional intelligence is processed. If you cut your sleep short, you are not just tired, you are physically and mentally incomplete. The physical consequences of skipping sleep are terrifying. Matthew Walker discusses a global experiment that happens twice a year: daylight savings time. When we lose just 1 hour of sleep in the spring, there is a 24% increase in heart attacks the following day. When we gain an hour in the autumn, heart attacks drop by 21%. That is how fragile the human heart is. Sleep deprivation also destroys your immune system. Just one night of 4 hours of sleep can wipe out 70% of your natural killer cell activity. These are the cells that find and destroy cancer cells. Without them, you are leaving your body defenseless. Furthermore, there is a direct link between a lack of sleep and Alzheimer's disease. During deep NREM sleep, a cleaning system in your brain called the glymphatic system washes away toxic proteins that build up during the day. If you do not get into that deep sleep, those toxins stay in your brain. Over decades, this leads to cognitive decline. Sleep is not just rest, it is a power wash for your mind. If you want to be a top performer in 2026, you need sleep for your brain. Sleep is the save button for memory. If you do not sleep after learning something new, you will lose that information. It is like trying to upload a file to a computer that has no hard drive space left. But it goes beyond memory. Sleep is the key to emotional regulation. Have you ever noticed that you are more irritable or anxious when you are tired? That is because the amygdala, the emotional center of your brain, becomes 60% more reactive when you are sleep deprived. Without sleep, your prefrontal cortex, the logical part of your brain, cannot tell the amygdala to calm down. You become an emotional wreck. REM sleep is also where creativity is born. During dreams, your brain makes connections between distant ideas that it would never link during the day. This is why many of the greatest scientific and artistic breakthroughs in history happen during sleep. If you want to solve a complex problem, the best thing you can do is go to bed. Now that you know the why, we must discuss the how. Matthew Walker provides 5 key tips for better sleep that you can start tonight. First is regularity. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every single day, even on the weekends. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Second is temperature. Your body needs to drop its core temperature by about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit to initiate sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, around 65 degrees. Third is darkness. In the hour before bed, dim the lights and put away the screens. Blue light tells your brain that it is daytime, which stops the production of melatonin. Fourth is the caffeine trap. Caffeine has a half-life of about 6 hours. If you have a cup of coffee at 4 in the afternoon, half of that caffeine is still in your brain at 10 at night. Avoid caffeine after noon if you can. Fifth is do not lie in bed awake. If you cannot fall asleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed and do something relaxing in dim light. You must train your brain that the bed is for sleeping, not for tossing and turning. Sleep is the master habit. If you fix your sleep, your money, your focus, and your health will follow. I have broken down how sleep fits into the full 90-day reset in my latest deep dive video. Click the related video link right above the title to watch the full blueprint and get your copy of Why We Sleep in the description. It is time to stop sacrificing your health for an extra hour of work.